dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Hello children, good morning grade ones. This is yet another day that we are ready to begin our lesson, and today's lesson is going to be mathematics. But before we actually begin the lesson, let us go to the date of today and look at what the date of today is. Today is on 15th, on 4th. 4th is which month? I keep on reminding you about it. It is on the month of April, which year? 2020. And our lesson today is going to be maths. So welcome to learn maths along with your teacher. Now, what do we have for our lesson today? Our lesson today is going to be, our title is going to be adding in twos, number patterns, but now we are going to learn how do we add the numbers in twos. Which topic is it? It is the number patterns. Now, look at the pattern below. Look at the pattern below. We have this pattern here, which is 54, 56, 58, 60, Now, we want to find out which number is missing in between the 54 and the 56 and the 58. Now, to help us understand our lesson today, we have a few examples down there. And straight away, I will take you to our flashcards, which are just right in front of me here. And I want us to understand a little bit more about this lesson. Now, we have a prepared flashcard, which is going to be this way. We have our first number is going to be 54. 54 plus 2. What do I get? 54 plus 2. I will look down here. If you look down here, we have got some two triangles. Let us count with you children. 1, 2. So this 1, 2, it is the 2 represented here. So we are going to take 54 and then plus 2. We shall continue counting. This is 54 and then we'll go 55 children and 56. What will be our answer children? 56. We write the answer as 56. Now, explanation number 2. We have 56 plus 2. 56 plus 2. Now, when you have 56 plus 2, we also have another triangles. We have some two triangles under there. Remember, we are adding, it is our number patterns today, but now we are strictly adding twos. After every number, you keep on adding 2, 2, 2, so that now you can get to the next answer. Now we have 56 there. 56 is here plus 2. What are we going to do again, children? We are just going to continue counting. We have 56 there. So if we have 56 there, we're going to count 57, 58. I still repeat again, children, this is 56. So continue counting the triangles with me. It will be 57 and then lastly 58. What will be our answer, children? 58. The last one is this one here. We have this for our answer. We have this one for our question. We have 58. 58 plus 2. Let us understand more about that. We are adding in twos. So we have 58 plus 2. What will it be? We shall continue counting the circles down there. We have got two circles down there, so we keep on adding the 2 to 58. So let us continue counting, children. We shall go 58 and then 59, 60. I repeat again, children, it will be 58 is here and then we continue counting. It will be 59, 60. That is the last example that we had for our lesson today. So that is just a few explanation of what I was talking about, just to help us understand on this lesson. Now, let us move on. Let us move on to our next work. All right. Now, to help us understand more about our lesson today, we have got some added exercise on the board here. We have got some added exercises on the board here. We have got some added exercises on the board here. Now, we have 10 plus 12 plus 10, comma, 12, comma, 14, comma, and then we continue. There is after 14 we have dash, and the next one is dash, meaning that we have to get the answer that we have to put after 14. What shall you add? We need to add 2 after 14, and then another 2 after the number we get. So let us begin by just looking at one number, the first one up there, which is 10, comma, 12, comma, 14, comma. Then we continue. So to help us get there, we have our worksheet here, and I want us to use this worksheet so that we can be able to understand, or we can be able to do the mathematics in a better way. Normally, when you're working out mathematics, always have a separate place that you can use to be able to work out your workings, and then take your answer and bring it to the right place. So let's get to our pen, and of course we get to a color there. Then lastly, we have 10, 12, and 14. We have got 10, comma, 12, comma, 14, comma, and then dash, and then dash. So what shall we do? We are going to add 2 balls after every number. So we shall add, write 2 balls here, and then 2 balls here, 2 balls here. So for us to be able to get to the next answer. So we have 10 here. If we have 10 here, for us to get to the next number, what are we going to do, children? We are going to continue counting. 11, 12. 12 is the answer there. To get to the next answer, we shall continue counting. We have 12 here, children. Let's keep counting. 13, 14. 14 is the answer right there. Then for us to be able to get to the next answer, we shall continue counting. We have 12 there. Then if we get to the 14, we shall continue counting. 15, 16. In the dash, we write what, children? 16. Then we'll continue counting another 2 balls for us to get to the next question. The next question will be, we are adding 2 balls again to the 16. So how will we do it? We have 16 there. We continue 17, 18. You come here and write 18. Then let's go back. So here we have 16 for our answer and 18 for our answer. Then we have 20, 22, 24, 26. Let's go back to our worksheet. We have 20, 22, 24, lastly 26. How many dashes are after the 26? There are 3 dashes. Comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash. Let's move on. 0, 2 zeros there, 2, 2, like that. So what are we going to do? 20, 21, 22. Write your answer. Okay? Then we have 22, 23, 24. We get the answer, children. Then after that, 25, 26. There is 26. Now for us to get to the next answer, we are going to have to count 26 plus 2. 27, 28. We write 28 for our answer. Then of course we continue counting another 2 balls. We have 28 children. We keep on adding. 29, 30. We write 30 there. And then we continue counting. We add 2 balls to the 30. What shall we get? 30 there. And then we have 31, 32. 32 is our answer. So when we get back, we have to go back to our question and write the answers. Back to our question. Here we will have 28. Here is 30. And here is 32 for our answer. Let's try and go a bit faster. 32, 34, 36, 38. 32, comma, 34, comma, 36, comma, 38. How many dashes are after 38? Only 2. Good. Comma, 1 and 2 dash. Now let us continue. Balls. Let's move on. 32, 33, 34. There's 34. 34, 35, 36. There's 36. 37, 38. There's 38. For us to go to the next number, we shall use these balls. We have 38, 39, 40. We write 40 in the dash. And then for us to go to the next one, children, we have 2 more. 41, 42. 42. Our answer will be 40 here and 42 there. We have 40, 42, 46. We have got 40, 42, 46. Dash and another dash. I think it's 1. Let me find out, confirm. Oh, it is 3 dashes, comma, and that one. So how will we go about it? We are going to count the balls. Of course, remember to count the balls for you to be able to get to your working well done, and then you are sure of what you're doing. So we have 40. If we have 40, we are going to add 2 balls. If we add 2 balls to the 40, it's going to be 41, 42. There is 42. Then we have 42. It will be 43, 40, 40, 43, 43, 43, 43, and 40. Here should be 43, 44. Here it should be 44, and then here it should be 46. And then after 46, we should be able to get 48. And then after 48, of course, we're gonna get to what? 50. Okay, so what will be our answer here? Here we shall put 48, and then here is 50, and then here is 52. Then we have the last one here is 66. 66. Let's get to that. We have 66 and 68. 66, 68, comma, dash, comma, and dash, the 2 dashes there. So when we continue counting, we'll have 2 balls, and then another 2 balls, and then we continue adding. Okay, so we have 66. If we have 66, 66 plus 2, it will be 67, 68. We have 68 there. And then after that, we continue 69, 70. 70 will be written here for the dash. And then if we have to know the number that comes after 70, if you're adding in 2s, children, it's going to be 71, 72, 72. So that is exactly what we are going to have for our lesson today. Here we have 70, and here we have 72. So that is the exercise for our, that is our maths exercise today. Remember, children, we have been learning how to count in twos. In which topic is this? It is in the number pattern. The number pattern of counting in twos. We have learned today that for every number that you are given, you need to add 2 to the last number. You need to add 2 continuously, 2 as many times as you can, so that now you can be able to work out the sums properly and be able to get them right. Now, this we come, sorry.